G'day, here's a parcel of lighter material from Lightning Ridge. It's a bit of a mixture of seam fossil material. It hasn't got a super dark colour, a lot of it, so the colours might not be as bright, but the price for the whole deal reflects what we think it's worth. I'll zoom in so you can get a better look. Okay, I've zoomed in. As you can see, it's lighter material, it's been wetted, rules in millimetres as usual. Haven't moved the pieces. You can see there's some nice colours amongst it. A lot of it is crystal type material. Pick up a few of the bits to show you. It's got a nice bar there. That bit's pretty easy to cut, I think. Some are more sort of sun flash. Crystal sitting on the top of a different colour band there. But a fair bit of it has colour in it, of varying degrees. See there's a colour bar. A few pieces like this piece, probably looking at that, oh, there's colour poking through here, so never dismiss it like I just started to. It needs to be ground down to be looked at further. That could be a Chinaman's hat. This is a fossil. I think it's the lid of a yabby hole. The yabby builds a lid to pull down over the top of it. It's like a trapdoor spider, so the birds and stuff can't get to it. But as you can see, there's lots of pieces. Some of this you could cut for inlay. Nice greens in that there. A few pieces turned to black on the inside, so what you can see there might end up to be a nice colour. There's a bit of red here as well by the looks. I think it's that clay that's showing through there. There's lots of pieces to look at, and it's not too expensive, I don't think, for what it is. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.